Another day, another vlog. Vlog? Mini videos, I believe. Hi there, creatives! Welcome back to JMTV. You are with me in Souk Anatolia. We are in Times Square, and before going to an MFC activity, Coco Bear decided to...
So mga kabiyan, suddenly, iya kong gidate and we're having Turkish sweets.
Ito balik.
What? What are you taking?
This is Turkish style.
So we're having a Turkish tea, and these are sweets. I'm not gonna eat it all, of course. I'm just showing it to you.
Ito ang mas prefer.